So hey guys, welcome back to Incommodore Nova, and today we are going to review the iPhone 16 Pro Max natural titanium color. Basically this is a very famous and very like hero color of this series, and the rose gold is also like kind of a desert titanium. Basically it's also a very famous color, but we will see the natural titanium color as well. So let me remove this, and
So as you
will
can see,
get the iPhone 16 Pro Max.
and
Okay,
if I will remove
so let me remove this
seal
from here.
let's
Open
from
it
here first.
Wait a second. Yep. So here you will remove this one as well. Thumbs up that they are not using the plastic. Okay, here is our phone, and basically this is the first look. If I'll show you, and if I will remove this, you will get some basic accessories, which is a braided cable. Thank you so much Apple for giving this a braided cable from 15 series. That's a very nice thing, and that's a type C as well, so that is a very good thing. And you will get some basic manuals and paperwork as well, but no stickers sadly if you are a fan of it. Okay, let's keep this aside and let's have a look on phone. So here is the big screen, and let me remove this strap, and this gives you a very satisfying thing. Even you will also get some minor details, and thumbs up for this as well. So let me remove this. Yeah, okay, this looks very clean. Yeah, so let me boot this phone, and till then I will show you the overview. So here is like titanium edges, and you also get this action button. Just do let me know in the comment section how many of you use this as not like silent button, because I'm the person who uses this as an silent button, and most of the users use this as a silent button. So there is not particular use of action button. That was also very useful, but this, I don't know what is this, and like what you did Apple, because this is the thing which you can use, but is this a very complex way to use your camera personally? Because if you are using it vertically, I have no idea how you can like grip it, and if you are using it like horizontally for long form content, but I will like, it's very hell crazy to use it, because you can easily access your camera features by the touch. Why you will need any dedicated button for that, I don't know. But yeah, the color looks very good, and this is the look of this color. And by the way, we get this big sensor here, because like you will also notice that the camera sensors are getting bigger, which is a very good thing and which is a very bad thing at the same time, because it will ruin the camera look. But looks are very subjective, I will tell you. But if they will provide you a very big sensor, it will help you to like capture more light and like more details, so you will definitely get a more better camera quality. But I don't think so except camera they are like making a very huge revolutionary upgrade, so I'm not going to support them for this. Please do some huge upgrades and make a revolutionary phone. If you like anything about this video, do hit the like button, and please subscribe to Nova for more such content, and let me guys see you in the next one.